Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Escape battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a battery hold-down wrench. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. For your safety, wear protective eyewear and gloves to prevent contact with battery acid. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe battery replacement process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Always start by locating the negative terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Use your wrench to loosen and carefully remove this cable first. Next, move to the positive terminal, identified by a plus sign and a red cable, and disconnect it. Finally, remove the battery hold-down clamp or strap to free the battery. With the cables disconnected, carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Be aware that car batteries are heavy, often weighing around 30 to 40 pounds. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly. Now, gently place the new battery into the clean tray, ensuring it's seated securely and oriented correctly for easy terminal access. To connect the new battery, always start with the positive cable, attaching it firmly to the positive terminal. Then, connect the negative cable to the negative terminal. Once both cables are secure, reattach and tighten the battery hold-down clamp to prevent any movement while driving. Finally, start your Ford Escape to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.